Welcome back to Wheeloscopy. Today we're diving into something truly next level. A machine that blurs the line between extreme utility, military-grade toughness, and luxury overland living. The all-new 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 armored camper, officially unveiled and already turning heads across the globe. This is not just a truck, and it's definitely not just a camper. It's a fully engineered survival platform built on the backbone of the legendary Ford Super Duty lineup, but taken far beyond anything you've seen before. The standard dual-axle setup is gone, replaced by a massive 6x6 configuration that instantly transforms this beast into an unstoppable off-road titan. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 armored camper is expected to carry a heavily upgraded 6.7-liter power-stroke V8 turbo diesel engine, pushing out insane torque figures that make towing, climbing, and crawling feel effortless, paired with a heavy-duty 10-speed automatic transmission. This machine is designed to handle extreme terrains without breaking a sweat, from rocky mountains to deep desert dunes, and even flooded paths. This truck just keeps going. But what really makes this vehicle stand out is the 6x6 drivetrain system. The third axle is not just for show, it's fully functional, intelligently distributing power across all 6 wheels, delivering maximum traction even in the harshest conditions. Add to that advanced locking differentials, reinforced suspension, and high ground clearance, and you've got a vehicle that laughs in the face of obstacles. Now let's talk about the armored aspect, because this is where things get serious. The camper shell and cabin are built using ballistic-grade materials, designed to withstand extreme conditions and even hostile environments. While exact armor ratings may vary depending on configuration, reports suggest protection against small arms fire, debris impact, and harsh weather conditions, making it ideal for high-risk travel, remote expeditions, or ultimate peace of mind. The exterior design is bold, aggressive, and purpose-driven. Massive off-road tires, custom steel bumpers, roof-mounted LED light bars, reinforced side steps, and multiple storage compartments give it a rugged yet futuristic presence. Every detail is engineered with functionality in mind. Even the approach and departure angles are optimized for serious off-road capability. Step inside, and the story completely changes, because this armored beast hides a luxury camper experience that feels more like a mobile penthouse than a survival truck. The interior is fully insulated, climate-controlled, and packed with premium materials. From soft-touch panels to high-end finishes, it's built for both comfort and durability. You'll find a fully equipped kitchen setup with induction cooktops, a compact refrigerator, microwave, and smart storage solutions that maximize every inch of space. There's also a comfortable sleeping area, often featuring a queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, along with convertible seating that can turn into additional sleeping space if needed. The bathroom setup is equally impressive, including a full shower, toilet system, and water recycling features, ensuring long-term off-grid living without sacrificing hygiene or convenience. This is not camping. This is true autonomous living on wheels. Technology is another major highlight. The 2026 model comes equipped with a fully integrated digital control system that allows you to manage lighting, temperature, water usage, and power systems through a touchscreen interface or even a smartphone app. Solar panels mounted on the roof work alongside high-capacity battery packs, giving you the ability to stay off-grid for extended periods. Connectivity is also taken seriously with satellite communication systems, GPS tracking, and optional internet solutions, ensuring you're never completely disconnected even in the most remote locations. It's a perfect blend of isolation and connectivity depending on your needs. Safety features go beyond just armor. The vehicle includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, which is extremely useful given the massive size of this truck. Maneuvering such a beast becomes surprisingly manageable with all these aids in place. Another interesting aspect is customization. Buyers can configure this armored camper to suit their exact needs. Whether it's adding drone launch pads, external fuel tanks, weapon mounts for security use, or even luxury upgrades like entertainment systems and premium sound setups, this vehicle is as versatile as it is powerful. In terms of real-world use, the 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 armored camper is designed for a wide range of applications, from extreme overlanding enthusiasts and survivalists to government agencies, security firms, and even ultra-rich adventurers looking for the ultimate escape vehicle. It's not just transportation, it's a statement of capability and independence. Of course, with all this power, technology, and protection, comes a hefty price tag. While official pricing hasn't been fully confirmed, industry estimates suggest it could easily reach into the high six-figure range depending on customization, making it a luxury investment rather than a casual purchase. Fuel efficiency is not the priority here, but surprisingly, thanks to modern diesel engineering and intelligent drivetrain management, it performs better than you might expect for something this massive. Still, this is a vehicle built for endurance and capability, not economy. What makes this release even more exciting is how it reflects the future of expedition vehicles, combining military-grade durability, luxury living, and advanced technology into one seamless package. The 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 armored camper is not just evolving the segment, it's redefining it completely. Imagine being able to travel anywhere, live comfortably off-grid, stay protected in extreme environments, and carry everything you need with you. That's exactly what this machine delivers. It's freedom, power, and security all rolled into one unstoppable platform. As more details continue to emerge and real-world testing begins, it will be interesting to see how this beast performs in different conditions. But one thing is already clear: Ford and its specialized partners have created something truly extraordinary. If you're into extreme vehicles, overland adventures, or just love seeing engineering pushed to its limits, this is definitely one to watch. The 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 armored camper is not just a vehicle, it's a whole new way of exploring the world without limits.